Well, welcome to I Didn't Know That, the show about things I didn't know. And today we're going to answer the age-old question that thousands of people have been wondering about. How do they get all that stuff rolled up into a burrito? So today we're at Papacitos Burritos with owner Dustin Nagel. Dustin, thank you for being a good sport and showing us how to get all that stuff rolled up into a burrito. I can't even roll a taco in a soft shell. So.
It is a talent. It is a talent, I tell you. So yeah, we have two sizes. We have our regular 10-inch and we have a large 12-inch tortilla. And basically the best way and the easiest way to do when it comes to rolling burritos is first, you don't want it cold, but yet you don't want it too hot. You want it kind of right in the middle. That does make it a little more flexible when it comes to being able to roll and close the burrito.
So would I do at home? Would I just do that on a skillet or?
Yeah, what I do, like even when I do it at home too, because obviously I don't have like a commercial size press. I put it in a flat pan and just kind of warm it up, flip it over until it's warm, and then you can just makes it way easier that way and more flexible.
All right.
So we have different options for our rice. We have a Spanish rice, we have a lime rice. My favorite is our lime rice. The Spanish rice has like a bunch more seasoning for more flavor too, but my favorite is our lime rice. So yeah, we just kind of started off by loading it up with some rice for a little bedding to help absorb some of the juices. We have our black beans, we have our pinto beans for options as well. And then for meats, we have our pulled pork, we have our shredded beef. We do have a special going on this month, a Philly cheesesteak, but we have chicken, Chipotle chicken, which is our customer's favorite. That's the most popular meat that we do sell. And then we have our ground beef, and then we have our chorizo sausage. So that's kind of the meat options people get. We do also cater to vegans and vegetarians too. So if you don't want meat, we just don't give you the meat. We'll just give you the veggies. So because we understand that too. So then we have our fajita veggies, which is a lot of people love our fajita veggies, and we have our awesome queso sauce, which when you come here and you get a burrito, we don't charge you extra for a scoop of queso. Everything we give you get one scoop for free, and then after that, if you want extra stuff, we'll charge you for that. But everything's all based off of one price. Then we have our cheese, lettuce.
And so what kind of cheese is that?
So this is a Monterey Jack cheese.
Okay.
It's actually really nice because a lot of people think it's mozzarella, but mozzarella can get there's too much moisture, so after a while it really clumps together. So we use a Monterey Jack, so it's a little bit more dry, and that way it doesn't clump together, and it'll melt together with the meat and stuff too from the heat. So. And then we have sour cream. We have our famous and everything we do in-house, so it's all scratch. We don't get a can of pico and dump it in there. We get tomatoes, we chop them up, we make everything fresh in-house, so that way everything's just fresh and tastes fresh that way. So, and then we have a corn salsa, we have a pineapple salsa, we have jalapenos, black olives, cilantro, our famous guacamole. We also have our famous Chipotle ranch sauce and avocado ranch sauce, regular ranch, and then we have our mild, medium, and hot sauce.
Okay, so I'm not very adventurous when it comes to food.
Yes.
Can somebody try a little cup of something?
Yeah, we give samples, especially new people when they come in, if they've never been here. I always give them samples of our meats and stuff a little cup of it so they can try it, and that way they know if they like it or not. So you can always come in and do a little sampling and stuff like that as well. So that's always good. So, so now
is the hard part, the rolling.
So the rolling part. So the best way to roll a burrito is to kind of give it a little mix. Mix it all up so that way you're not getting one clump of sour cream in the bite. You want to make sure you get a little bit of each thing in your bite. So the best way is to kind of, like I said, mix it all up here, and then I kind of push everything to the back a little bit. And what I do is I come up and I kind of push down, and then I'll put my thumbs underneath the back side of the tortilla, and then I fold it out about 4 inches. And then I come and I kind of push it together so that way these front flaps will kind of overlap the front here, and then you kind of push everything back, and then I kind of give it a little tuck just like that, and then you give it another tuck, and then you just kind of roll it, and as it tightens up, it'll tighten up, and look at there, you have a nice sealed burrito.
That's pretty impressive. I think mine would tear and fall out, and that's pretty impressive.
And that is our large burrito.
Awesome. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Well, tell us a little bit about your hours.
So yeah, obviously we're on our winter hours right now, but we are open we start serving at 10 a.m. and we close at 7 p.m. Our summer hours, we close at 8 p.m. We do delivery services through our DoorDash, so you just go on to the DoorDash website and then they place an order and then it comes through, we print it off, we make it. We can go to our website too, that you can do an online order for pickup as well. And then we do daily specials. So Monday we do double punch Mondays with our punch cards right here. So if you want to get a large or a regular burrito, you come in, you get 2 punches, you buy 9, you get your 10th one free, basically is how that works. And that works for anything that's equivalent to a regular size or a large size burrito. And then Tuesdays we do $2 tacos. Thursdays we do a buy one get one half off from 4 to 7. And then Fridays, if you wear Laker gear or apparel, you get $2 off any large or regular size burrito. And then every day, Monday through Friday, we actually have an all-you-can-eat taco buffet as well from 4 to 7. So you come in, and we start you off with 3 tacos, and then you just kind of work your way, and then if you want more, you come and get more. So that's all you can eat from 4 to 7. Saturdays, it's all day, all you can eat tacos. Yeah, and like I said, we have quesadillas, we have burrito bowls, we have salad bowls, we have tacos, taco in the bags. We have our signature options, which the number one, our Laker, is pretty much the most popular burrito here in town. Everybody loves the Laker. So yeah, that's kind of what we do here. So, and we also just started doing pizzas, hot and ready pizzas as well. So we have a warmer that we fill up with pizzas, and then you just kind of come in and grab a pizza. Or you can order it online through DoorDash or our online service as well. So yeah, all kinds of options.
Wow,
So,
that's a lot.
Yes.
like a lot that's in here too.
Yeah.
So thank you, Dustin,
Yes.
for being on the program. And,
Yeah, no problem.
He made it look really easy, didn't it? I think I would fail the first probably 20 times. So, all right, thanks for watching. I didn't know that.